Hey baby, I'm back with with my girlfriend. So we are at IKEA now. And you see this one? Janice baby, she's looking for a new furniture. There's Cheryl sitting on the latest bed. Whew, sexy. Okay, bye. No, not so fast. Okay, wait. I go find the rest of my girlfriends. See? The toilet. So cool, Ken. See? Ching Ting! What are you doing inside? Ching Ting! Ching Ting! She's exposed. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Sexy. Quick fast. Quick fast. Okay. Oh my god, you see the room? How I wish this is my room. Ah! Okay. Mimi! Ah! Okay. Jenny, that's so funny, Ken. Change, alright, go ahead. Whoa. Wow, it's in black. Rest. Baby, rest. Woo. Lie down. Lie down, let people see you. Come on, I have to follow you. You. Dene? Go it out. Okay. We are making too much noise at IKEA. You see? Oh my god, so cool. What's this? What's this? Everybody let people see. What's this?
It's a makeup bar.
Oh.
$5.
No. Jenny, you go away. I want to show the rest. Come on, you see? So cool, right? Wow. See, this is a makeup bar. Wow, so cool, right? I also wish I had one. Chill, my dear. Yeah.
For jewelry.
Let's go. Okay. Oh my god! See, this is a walk-in wardrobe. Oh my god, it's so cool, Ken. I wish this is mine.
Hi, baby.
So cool, Ken. See? Let's carry. Stop messaging. Look here. Oh my god! Okay, you push. You push. Oh, you can move on. Oh, Cheryl, I. Okay, I'm going back to take my bag. See, I love this bastard. Okay, see the wardrobe. Oh my god, everybody. It's like not cheap too. Oh my god. Oh my god. I want to have a baby too. Yeah. Oh my god, I love the bed. You take me. Oh my god, Kylie. Are you dead? Oh no, you're still alive, obviously.
Shall we stop, Dada?